missing the yarn.
Oh, hi, Professor Burger. Look, I hope you don't mind, but I brought Leonard with me today because he just loves math so very much. Yeah, and as you can see, he also likes playing with yarn.
Leonard?
Yeah, you remember my invisible bear?
Oh, that's right. Your invisible bear, Leonard. Well, he can stay as long as he's quiet during our time together when we're answering the math riddle.
Oh, okay. Leonard, you have to be quiet. He agrees.
I didn't hear anything.
Well, he nodded, silly. You told him to be quiet.
She's got me there. Okay, should we have some fun doing some math?
Yes, please.
Okay, so here's the riddle. It actually involves yarn.
No.
Yes! Okay, so here's the question. So, the green yarn is about 2 red color tiles long. The question is, how long is the blue yarn? So let's take a look. So here's the green yarn piece, right here.
Right.
And so we're told that it is about two color tiles long. And these are red color tiles, you can see. And each one of these represents a unit. So that's the unit that we're measuring. And in this case, it's the length of these red tiles. And
yeah.
if I put 2 of them together, do you see how if I put 2 of them together,
It's 2 red tiles.
and notice how it matches perfectly, it matches perfectly with the length of the green yarn.
It sure does.
Okay, so the length of the green yarn is about 2 red color tiles.
Ah.
Now here's the blue yarn, and I want us to compare it. Now if I put it right underneath the green, notice that if I bring in another copy of the green, now see it's the same length, it's like a copy
As
of
the
the green.
green,
Yep.
yeah.
If I put it next to it, look what we see.
Hey. Those 2 green ones are the same length as the long blue one.
That's exactly right, Jeannie. You're brilliant. And so what does that mean? It means that the length of this in terms of the units of red color tiles should be 4.
Right.
And let's just see if that's right. So here's a third one. And then here's a fourth
one.
Exactly. And look how, see, it matches perfectly with the length.
It sure does.
And so we see that just knowing the information we were given, the blue yarn is about 4 red color tiles long. And we can see that because we compared it to the green one, which we knew was 2. And 2 and 2 is 4.
Oh, yeah. The blue yarn is about 4 color tiles long.
That's right. That's right.
Thank you, Professor. That was so much fun.
You're welcome.
Oh, what's that, Leonard? Oh, hey, good idea. Professor Burger?
Yes.
Leonard wants to know if he can take this yarn and measure it.
Well, the math question's over, so sure, Leonard can take the yarn and measure it.
Okay, Leonard, let's begin.
What?
What's the matter, Professor Burger?
Have fun with math. I'll see
We're
you soon.
gonna need a lot of color tiles to measure it.